Why are Somalis so easy to recognize, bro? Whether that's their shape or the sound of their voice. I was watching a TikTok video of a wedding. Tell me why. It's a wedding in Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, bro. The girl's dancing and you can see the guy's back of his head. Tell me why Somalis have flooded the comment section. Coming out of nowhere, bro. This is a girl from Kazakhstan. Nothing to do with Somalis, bro. They came to the comment section to tell everyone, yo, I can tell this guy's Somali. Bro, you can only see the back of... Let me show you. Bro, that is all you can see. You can only see the guy's back of his head, bro. Oh, how can you tell? How? Tell me, please. Bro, and the craziest thing is, yeah, as a Somali, you can't hide anywhere. There's no hiding. Somalis are E-nation. We're on social media, bro. Every corner of the internet, we're there. This is Kazakhstan, bro. This girl's account is based in Kazakhstan. Somalis have somehow found that account, found the guy's back of his head, and figured out he's Somali, bro. And the craziest part is the girl confirmed they're right, bro. He's actually Somali. We're not safe anywhere, man.